The Ford Ranger Raptor debuted earlier this week, but the automaker made it clear that the launch was for the Asia-Pacific market. But they're now a good indication Ford wants to bring one of these high-performance trucks to the US as well. Speaking with Australia Drive, Ford Performance Chief Engineer Jamal Hameedi said a Ranger Raptor would suit the US. However, he said buyers in the States would want a gas engine instead of the 2.0-liter twin-turbodiesel engine announced for Asia-Pacific. That unit makes 210 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Raptors are a slam dunk for the US, he said. I think the Ranger Raptor would do really well in the States. Hameedi also doubts customers in the US would be turned off by the Ranger Raptor's smaller size compared to the F-150 Raptor. Calling its size perfect, he said some buyers in the States want off-road performance in a smaller truck. I think it's certainly like a baby Raptor, it depends what you're looking for, Hameedi said. All these clues point to a strong possibility of the Ranger Raptor heading to the US. But it's still an uncertain prospect, and if it does come to the US, it could be quite some time before we see it. We haven't said anything about availability in the US. Our first priority is to get a Raptor available to everyone on the planet Earth. So Americans already have an F-150 Raptor, we got to spread Raptors to the rest of the planet. Along with a diesel engine, the Ford Ranger Raptor headed to Asia has a coilover rear suspension with a Watt-Link setup, front and rear Fox Racing shocks, and a beefed-up brake system. The model also boasts a 10-speed transmission found in the F-150 Raptor. Australia was home to much of the work done on the Ranger Raptor. Here, Ford gathered inspiration from the F-150 Raptor to create some of truck lines, and the model also underwent engineering development at Ford Yuyang's testing center. Near the end of the process, the Ranger Raptor made its way to Borrego Springs in California for additional testing, according to Drive.